They only put him on the stand for one simple evidence question. Well, I tried to cross him, but the judge stopped me because he didn't talk about the whole investigation. That was an interesting twist because now they're trying to force me to put him on in my case. And as you know, it's a lot more fun to cross somebody than it is to direct them, especially if they're a hostile witness.
Just so I'm clear, here in Louisiana, our cross is wide open. So even if the prosecution doesn't ask them about a particular subject matter, I have wide latitude with what I get to ask. I can ask about everything in my cross. And you're saying there in Florida, you guys are kind of limited?
Yeah, if it's outside the scope of what they testified to, you usually can't go there. Now, there are exceptions for bias and things like that. But yeah, he only asked him a question about a certain piece of evidence and said nothing else. So I got up there, I established you're the lead investigator, you're the uncle. Let me talk to you about this whole investigation. And the judge shut me down.
I think that's really good though for the defense. If you think about the jury process as a whole, and this is what I tell my clients and I tell other lawyers, that if you put 12 people in a box, those 12 people are more intelligent than I could ever be when you combine their educational background, their life experiences, all of that. So in your case, I'd imagine when the jury heard that the ex-wife had a warrant that wasn't executed on, her uncle was the lead investigator, and now the prosecutor is going to put this lead investigator on the stand and not ask him any questions. Then the judge is going to shut you down. I think a part of the jury had to be saying they're all in on it. They're all in